We are at the Langham Hotel in New York City, right on 5th Avenue. This is room 2703, and we had just arrived. So far, the service has been really stellar, and just appreciating all of the NYC feel that this place already has to offer. So you're gonna get impeccable service, and the room is super nice. What I really like about being on the 27th floor, which is the top floor for the Langham, is the double view, window views, bay views that you get here. This is facing east towards the river over there, and we get a little bit of the view of the Chrysler building over there, so that's kind of cool. So definitely feeling the New York vibe for sure today. Yeah, we're gonna be here for a few days. It's Wednesday and we'll be here until Sunday. But this room is just amazing. Mike is over there already unpacking. He's gonna take advantage of the pressing.
5 free pressings.
You get 5 free pressings.
I'll take it.
Yeah, so after all that luggage that you're carrying through the planes and everything, things get wrinkled. Yeah, you don't even have to do that. See all that stuff? You don't even have to do that. They actually do at least 5 for you. Yeah, they'll do 5 for you for complimentary, which is perfect if you want to have a nice dinner. So this is the second window in the views. Very cool. And I'll be using this chaise. This chaise right here is really nice. So, yeah, plenty of closet space in here. Let's go in they offer you coffee or tea service. Yep, and more closet space all through here. And yeah, this is a pretty sizable room. Actually, it's probably about 500 to 600 square feet, somewhere in there. And I love the double vanity sinks here in the bathroom. Tons of mirrors. Hello. A little jet lag there. Here, nice tub. TV. And nice. I like how everything is just really super organized. So yeah, they do a lot of inspections and stuff before they even allow you into the room. Wi-Fi included, of course. Looks like there's a rain shower in there, so it's good. Umbrella for those rainy days. Yeah, so we are excited to start our vacation. This is the Langham Hotel, New York City.